everyone, my name is Alessandra with Sutra, and today I'm here to show you about the Professional Blowout Brush. This tool is so exciting and we are so excited to share it with you. So as you guys can see, my hair is currently curly and damp. This is my natural hair. I just left with it in braids, so I can show you how good this thing actually works. So the Professional Blow Dry Brush has 3 heat settings, as you can see right here: low, medium, and high. Super easy to just change those settings right over here. It's super lightweight as well, so it's gonna make it easier when you're actually using it on your hair. Your hand's gonna be getting a lot less tired. So now I'm going to be sectioning my hair. As I said before, it's slightly damp and pretty curly, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with a piece about this size right here, and I think I'm gonna try to start on the medium setting. Here we have, my hair is dried. This is on the medium setting. I think the second piece I'm gonna go in on the high setting and see how that has a difference. So this is the difference between the medium heat and the high heat. It's looking like the high heat is able to kind of get the hair a little bit more straight, and the medium heat keeps the volume a little bit better. A little tip for you guys, if you want to create more volume, take the hair and move the brush up like so, closer to the root, and that's going to create really nice volume for you. So earlier I showed you a little trick of how to get more volume, and now I want to show you a trick to have the hair straighter. So you're going to take the brush like this, and when you're pulling down, you're just going to pull down super taut on the root right there, and that's what's going to help you get a super nice sleek look. All right guys, so I've just finished all of my hair. My hair feels so soft and silky and has this amazing volume. I would probably like to just go into my roots with a straightening iron to make sure the look is flawless and sleek. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of our Rejuvenating Hair Serum by Sutra. This stuff is absolutely amazing. If you don't have it, you need it in your life. It's gonna make your hair so silky, soft, and just tame all of those flyaways. And voila guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, my hair has this really pretty wave about it, and I have done nothing to the hair except for use the Sutra Professional Blowout Brush. So I highly recommend this. This was so fast. My hair would normally take probably about 30 to 40 minutes to blow dry completely with just a round brush. With this thing, it took about 15. So I highly recommend it, and check it out on sutrabeauty.com.